Hi, here you can see one lever. This lever we have to push forward. First push handle forward, then push this lever. See, done. So this way we can fold this scooter. So this is Decathlon OXELO adult scooter. This is 7XL. Similarly, we can fold 5XL as well. So next I will show you how we can unfold it. Let me unfold. For unfold, we have to press that same lever forward. So this is a lever. Let me press it forward. See, done. Now we can unfold it. So this way we can fold and unfold this Decathlon OXELO adult scooter 7XL or 5XL. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.